Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on your OUKITEL OKT1. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store and start searching for Call of Duty. But as you can see, there's no proper game here. Now let's move to our settings like this. Here go for the family and then parental controls. There's the two ways you can fix this. The first one is to disable parental controls entirely, so press on this button, enter the PIN code and then click OK. Next is to go for apps and games, click OK and increase PG to at least 16. Click OK, save, let's go back. Try finding Call of Duty again. And it's right here, we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.